This lake burps, and it's deadly. Yep, I'm not joking. There's a real lake in Africa called Lake Nyos, and one day it literally exploded. Not with fire or lava, but with gas, like invisible, deadly gas. Back in 1986, the lake had a secret, a huge bubble of CO2 gas hiding at the bottom. Then boom, the gas suddenly shot out, like a giant soda can exploding. It rolled over nearby villages, and people didn't even know what hit them. Over 1,700 people and 3,500 animals died, all because of a crazy thing called a limnic eruption. Now scientists watch the lake super carefully so it doesn't burp again. Nature is wild, right? What do you think? Scary or cool?